Good morning and welcome to the WPNN. My name is Serenity.
And my name is Bree, and it's a magnificent day to be a Panther.
In sports news, our boys varsity baseball team will travel to EO Galley here at home. The game starts at 6 p.m.
Panthers, did you know that our school is hosting Heritage Got Talent?
Come share your talent in our school talent show. Tryouts are today in Miss Rock's classroom, 2121 at 3:30 p.m.
Showcase your talent, any talent, not only singing and dancing.
The talent show will be on Thursday, March 21st, and this event will raise money for the junior class. Everyone can participate.
Juniors, please participate and spread the word. If you have any questions, feel free to email Senor Velez or stop by her room 5204 before or after school or during lunch.
Seniors, prom season is here.
Tickets will be on sale starting Monday, March 18th at all lunches, $50. If you plan on bringing someone who does not attend Heritage High School, please make sure to see Miss Ferez in the front office for a permission form.
Please make sure you turn them back into her before buying a ticket.
If you want to run for prom king or queen, please make sure you attend the mandatory meeting after school at 3:40 p.m. this Thursday, March 14th in the principal's conference room.
Also, seniors, the Powderpuff Game will be on April 10th.
Sign-ups will be $25 each for the cost. That will include the Powerpuff shirt. You need to make sure you have your physical paperwork on file for this foreign school year, along with the return permission slip. Sign-ups start today, and there are only 8 per lunch, so no need to skip class to sign up.
Please see Mrs. Spittler if you have any concerns or questions.
Seniors, speaking of the Powderpuff Game, are you interested in designing the shirt for the game?
Create a design for the Powderpuff shirts and share it with Senora Velez's email. The deadline for your shirt design is this Friday, and the winner will receive a gift card.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Have a great day and go Big Blue!